Hello friends, welcome to Food and Living. And me being a mom and a hands-on mom, also need to take care of my health and also a lot of interests that I have. And being a mom of a busy toddler, a food blogger, and sometimes a fashion influencer or a fashion content creator, along with some of the other interests that I have and manage, and also like to be a hands-on mom. Have been trying a few interesting options for snack these days, and one of it is a peanut butter. I have got this peanut butter from Myfitness, and I have been using it on some of the simple fruits and also as a snack recipe for my kid and myself whenever I crave for something sweet or want to make something really quick and in a jiffy. I have used apple slices here and applied peanut butter on it and spreading it. Just spread peanut butter and some chia seeds and also some nuts. I'm using walnuts here, which will be very nice, tasty, and we can definitely make this very quickly. Also banana and peanut butter taste very nice. You can also use it in smoothies and have it as a snack or breakfast or something very quick, just on the go. So this is something we have been liking a lot, and the recipe, as you see, is super easy, using one of the best brand, that is Myfitness here. And because peanuts, we Indians have been using peanuts in various recipes, and peanut butter is definitely worth trying if you're looking for high protein and healthy fat diet, which is also zero cholesterol and zero trans fat. Also, Myfitness comes in a thoughtful packaging and flavors with chocolate, some smooth, and it also has something which is crunchy flavor also. Being sugar free and naturally tasting, no sugar, no salt, and no preservatives, the natural flavor has no sugar at all, which is good for anybody who is also looking to lose weight or being diabetic also can use this. And also because the product is hygienically packed and it has certifications of factory, and the packaging being very good, and the taste definitely is worth trying and going for. Also because the brand has been in the market for more than 3 years and the quality is being talked about, I can surely say that you can definitely give this a try, because peanuts are, as Indians, we have been eating peanuts in various dishes also. And peanut butter is quickly incorporated in our diet. We can definitely use it in many ways, as simple as just as a spread, or you can also make cakes and cookies with it. I have shown the simplest way, and also I'm using it on as a spread. I can also use it on chapati or dosa, or just eat a teaspoonful of the peanut butter as it is, which is also definitely tasty. And you can also be free of guilt, and whenever you have a sugar craving, we can eat that. So I'm liking that a lot. So if you also like this video and want to give it a try, do. You can also follow me on all my social media channels, and for more interesting and tasty easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.